Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Linking sheets. When you have two workbooks and you would like to link information from one workbook to another, we can do this by using linking sheets. The easiest way to do this is to have both of them open at the same time and to tile them on the screen, which we learned in the previous video. Let us type some text which should be equal on both sheets. To link both these cells, we will need this cell to equal the cell on the other sheet. To do this, we start with equal sign and then using the mouse, come onto the other sheet and select onto the other sheet. Now you can see the formula including the name of the file, name of the sheet, and also the cell. So now when I press the written key or the enter key, the information in both the files is the same. If we change the original cell, as soon as we press the enter, the text on the other sheet also changes. Even if we close and save it and change something here which is linked, change the linked cell and reopen the file that we have a link on, the cell has updated automatically. This is known as linking workbooks or linking sheets. Thank you for watching the video. Please share this knowledge with your friends, family, and colleagues. See you in the next one.